everybody, and welcome to Tuesday, September 28th. For today, chicos, sorry about that. We are going to be doing quite a bit today. For your due now, you're going to have your Tuesday grade check, and then we're going to be working on your Enneagram project. Last week we took notes on it, and we learned what an Enneagram was. This week you're going to be working on it. I want you guys to start knowing and recognizing what are some of your strengths, what are some of your abilities that you've been having. And then we'll be doing a brief exit ticket. Enneagram is going to be due on Wednesday, September 29th in class. Okay, for your due now, I want you to go ahead and work on your grade check. On Google Classroom, you're going to fill out the following chart. I'll show it to you in a moment. You will be completing this chart for the following 4 weeks, ladies and gentlemen. It's how we will keep track of your progress and growth throughout the semester. This current grade check will be submitted on Tuesday, October 19th, in a couple weeks, in 4 weeks. If you have a grade below a C, you will be filling out a paper form in the back as well. You will be giving it to the tutors. Failure to do so will report in a call home and a detention. You must fill out the paper if you have below a C, okay? So let me show you exactly what that looks like. You're going to go under our classwork tab. You're going to go under semester 1 grade checks, okay? Here are the grade checks forms. You will be completing classes that due now every Tuesday. You will be reflecting on your grades and your academic growth in your other classes. If you need further directions on how to fill out the form or not in class, watch the tutorial video at the bottom. I'm going to include this video here at the bottom. If you have below a C or a D, you must fill out the paper from the form in the back. You will be required to complete mandatory tutoring in the library for this class if you do. Okay, so we already did this week. This is the 28th. This is today. Step 1, complete the following chart based on your weekly grades in each of your classes, okay? So if you have an A, I want you to give me the percentage. Are you at a 93.5 or are you at a 91.2? Give me the percentages for each of your classes. If you have anything that is a C or below, you must pick up a paper form and attend tutoring. I need to see comments. For any of you that have C or Fs, give me that comment. Step 2, I want you to complete the following reflection, answering the questions in full and complete sentences. You cannot say nothing for any of your responses, okay? What went well this past week? Think of positives, including what you've been working on. What do you hope to accomplish this week, thinking forward? What steps can you take to accomplish or work towards your goal? What is something you need help with right now? Okay, what resources on campus can you utilize to get this help? Tutoring, for example, going to your math teacher's office hours. What can you do to get started, okay? All right, this is what we will be doing for your due now every single Tuesday when you guys come in. Then, today, we are working on your Enneagram project. You're going to complete your Enneagram project in Google Classroom. Follow the directions on each of the slides. If you need further instructions, watch the daily video for today on our stream. Enneagram projects will be due Wednesday, September 29th before class. So let me show you guys what it looks like. So now that you finish your grade checks, you're going to go down to the Enneagram project because it's right by our focus notes, and I wanted you guys to be able to take notes as well as do your Enneagram project. I will be grading your notes as well. Okay, so understanding your Enneagram. We talked about the 9 different types last week, how there is the perfectionist, the helper, the achiever, the individualist, the investigator, the loyalist, the enthusiast, the challenger. We talked about those 9 types. You guys went ahead and clicked this link and took a personality test for the Enneagram test. You have to take the entire quiz in one sitting. It will take 30 to 45 minutes. When you are done, you took a screenshot of your scores and you wrote down your Enneagram scores on a piece of paper. And then you would reflect and write about your scores in the next couple of slides, okay? You submitted the assignment on Google Classroom. A help video is available for you on the next slide. For help with this assignment, you're going to click this video below. It will help you. You're going to put, hello, my name is blank. My top 3 Enneagrams include, and these are the numbers. Remember, it's 1 to 9, or 9 to 1. You can put a picture of yourself, okay? And then what is the key vocabulary that is described when it comes to these different types? You should have at least 2 words that describe you for each type. So you have 3 types. So let's say you are a 9, a 5, and a 1. What are 2 words that describe you as a 9? What are 2 words that describe you as a 5? And what are 2 words that describe you as a 1? Okay? Write your first strongest type here. So if you're a 9, I want to see your 9 right here, okay? If you're a 5, you're going to put your second strongest type here, whatever it is. And then if you're a 1, just as Ms. Ornelas' example, you're going to type your third type here, put an image, Provide a brief description, your strengths, your weaknesses, your fears, your motivations. Choose 2 to 3 famous people who have the same type. Okay? Then, you're going to choose one of your strengths to celebrate here. Something that you know is an amazing strength that you are building on. And then right here, one of your weaknesses or fears. Okay? How can knowing and understanding your Enneagram score help you with others, work with others a lot better? That's where you're going to put here. And then what did you learn about yourself through this assignment? Add through the descriptions. You may choose 2 to 3 things to write about. Please provide details and examples. Then you guys created a fun little slide that summarized all of this. You guys could use your Bitmojis or create these little kind of avatars. So for example, this is Miss Sala's. This is the type that she created. And this is where you guys put your final products. So this is where you would create essentially your Enneagram types, okay? Type 4, or in my son Ellis's case, type 9, the peacemaker. What are some celebrities that share the same type? What can you be described as? What are some of those fears or those weaknesses, okay? This is the Enneagram project. This is what's due to me Wednesday in class, okay? If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me further if this video has not fully explained or if you are a little bit confused, okay? All right, guys, as always, reach out to me before or after school, send me an email, and I'll see how I can help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.